food travel shopping channel, and today I am reviewing kitchen gadget from the Black Friday deal that I had purchased online. All of these things that I purchased online, I will review to you the original price and how much I had paid for it. These are all before tax. Now the total saving that I calculated is actually 56% off. Everything here was 56% off from the original retail price. If you have not yet realized or picked up from my recent food video that I've been doing, most of my things that I'm using for cooking, like pots and pan, is from STAUB. So this is my new biggest fan of STAUB, so I highly recommend this brand. I will be also doing another separate video in terms of how you really break into one of these cast iron pots and pan. I will show you how to take good care of these pans because these are originally pretty expensive. Even though I got a good deal, I do not want to ruin my pots and pans. Okay, so let me show you what I've got. I'm going to start off with my STAUB here, the brand that I love. So I got these roasting pan. This one is an 8¼ inch roasting pan. I think it's perfect for side dishes. This was originally $109.99. I paid $55 for these. So $55. This one is a 7.5 inch round roasting pan. Again, it's cast iron, made in France. Love it. This is going to be really good for serving side dishes. Again, I love these because, and the reason I got these because I can just put it in the oven and it's durable, right? So yeah, so I think this is great. This is originally $109.99. I got it for $55. Okay, so next, this right here. This is a Cocotte, an oval in the Bulldogs color. Love the red, right? Love this red. So especially for the upcoming holiday, for Christmas, I thought it would be such a nice color to get in the oval shape. This is a 2.5 quart. Now I did hesitate a little bit when I purchased this because I was thinking maybe this is a little bit too small. But right now I think it fits what I need because I'm only cooking for 2 people. And this is a great size in this case for 2 to 3 people, I would say. 4 people, I would say it's a stretch. But there are things that you can definitely make with this pot. Actually, I recently used it on my most recent video in the braised short ribs with pappardelle, so check out that video as well. And I used this pot for my braised short ribs. Turned out super good. Love the pot. Love this pot. Alright, so this is a, like I said, this is a 2.5 quart pot, and the centimeter here is 23 centimeters. So the original price here is $257, and guess what? How much I got it for? $89.99. That it was the reason why I couldn't resist, even though it was a smaller size. And then I thought to myself, hey, why not? You know, I think even later on, if you are gonna cook for more people, this would be a great side dish. You know, like presented this way with the side dish, and you know, totally, why not? I think end up, you know, after cooking once, I fall in love with this size. So this was the perfect size. So will I be purchasing a bigger oval Cocotte? Of course I would, you know, like I'm the biggest fan right now. So yes, I will be purchasing more of these as long as I get a good deal out of it. So that was this piece. Then I got two of these 4-quart round 24 centimeter in the graphite. Well, obviously you can see I've been purchasing these graphite color. So this is just another one to add to my collection. All right. Now, again, if you've been watching my food video, I've been using a smaller one, which is a 22. That was my very first one. And that was the one that I kind of fall in love with. So yeah, so this brand, once you used it once, you get hooked to it. And that's why I purchased more. So the reason why I got 2 of these, actually one of them is gonna be for my brother. So it's such a great, housewarming gift and stuff like that. He recently purchased a new place. So I was like, this is great for his home. So I will be mailing it to him. And this is a 4-quart La Cocotte. So I want to show you, they have the brand new sticker here. Alright, so this is the 4-quart in graphite. The original price of this pot is $393. And they are currently still doing on the promotion, $99. It's a steal. Okay, so totally it's a steal. A 4-quart, 24 centimeter, you will use this a lot. So any family household of 4 to 5 people, I highly recommend you getting one of these. This is a great opportunity to try out one of their brand pieces, okay, from STAUB. So highly recommend it. Check out the website. You can still get it for $99.99. So perfect deal. All right, so moving on to the next brand now. I review everything that I have from STAUB, okay? Actually, not everything, because I've mentioned to you, this is only half of the purchase that I had made in terms of my Black Friday shopping spree. There are still things that is on the way. There are a couple of things from STAUB that I have. I will review in a second video. And I can't wait to get them, all right? And I can't wait to show it to you guys. And then I'm gonna show you my whole entire collection from STAUB. Okay, so moving to the next brand, I got La Creuset, the salt and pepper meals. So recently my wife said you've been doing a lot of, cooking video, and why don't we get a new set of these salt and pepper meals? So I was like, why not, So how much we pay for it? Originally it's $40 each. So a set like this is $80, which I think it's a highly rip-off. So after the discount, we got it for $54. So not bad, still a little bit on the expensive side, but very nice color. They call this color Caribbean, and I am making my investment on my cooking show, so I want to make it looks brighter and happier in this, these videos. So please continue to support us. Give me a like if you think that I've been getting a good deal out of my shopping so far. Hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our Food Travel Shopping channel. Follow us on Instagram as well, Food Travel Shopping channel. So let's continue in terms of what else I had purchased, and I'm gonna unbox it for you. So let me move these along the way. All right, so the next one is my KitchenAid hand mixer. All right, so let's open this. All right, so let's see. All right, so this is how. So I got this one. This is a cordless hand mixer. This is pretty cool. I thought it would be so much convenient sometimes when you're cooking. You don't have to have a wire around you, and you just simply charge this. And let's get these open here and put this in. And let me show you. Okay. All right, so this is a 7-speed cordless hand mixer from KitchenAid, and I got this in a matte gray finish, which looks pretty. So you just need to charge it, and mine recently broke the hand mixer after like 25 years. So after 25 years of using it, I was like, hey, that was a hand mixer that I used when I was a kid. And I was like, hey, why not? Why not get a new one? And this one is cordless, so pretty good. So I haven't used it yet, so we'll see. This is brand new, obviously. I haven't used it yet, so probably get a chance to use this. I do have the full KitchenAid mixer here. Sometimes you don't want to use that if you're just mixing something really small, so then a hand mixer is preferable. So original price $99.99. I got it for $61.19. So pretty good deal, I think. So that's why I got it. Okay, last one I want to talk about for this particular episode, this part 1 of unboxing. I got a KitchenAid processor. It's a extra attachment for my KitchenAid mixer here. So I always kind of wanted to get one of these. It looks super cool. Look at this. They have all those different slicer things in a box, which helps you to get really organized. It's a very nice way to just store it anyway. So this is great. Alright, so let's see. They have of course, the instruction books here. And it seems like they have a little get ready with like some sort of idea for you to what you can make out of this. So I'll check that out later. But essentially, this is the attachment. It looks bigger than what I had imagined. So this will definitely go on top of here. Okay, so I have this food processor attachment. It's a little bit bigger than what I imagined, which is, I think it's good because, you don't want to be too small, so then you can't really, utilize the processing, food here. So let me show you just a quick show in terms of on the attachment. So then this is, now the key thing is you want to make sure that this right here, this little knob goes in before you secure it, and then you just want to secure it back here. And overall, this is how it looks like as a whole. Alright, so I'm just taking the cover off, and just to give you a better idea, just put this. Alright, so that's how it looks like. Definitely need to wash this. But yeah, super cool. Super excited. I can just use it like this, plug it in, and then have all the processing, cut and dice, slice everything here. So perfect. Okay, so let's review the price here. Originally, this processor attachment from the KitchenAid cost $249. I ended up paying $129.59 after the discount, so I think I pretty, it's not bad of a deal. It's pretty good, as long as, of course, all of these, as long as you use it, and you will get your money worth. Alright, so what was the original cost for all of these items that I have here? It was $1,490.46. So to be precise, I actually got a 56.6% off here, and the total came out to $646.75. So please give me a like below if you think that I've got a good deal here. So that was a 56.6% off from all these items. So overall, I am very happy with all my purchase. And like I said, this is only part 1. Stay tuned for part 2. If you have not yet subscribed to our food travel shopping channel, please subscribe to our channel and check out some of our food video that I've been and stay tuned in terms of watching our future video, which I will continue be cooking with my new STAUB pots and pan and the roasting pan and everything else. Also, if you have not yet followed us on Instagram, please follow us on Instagram, Food Travel Shopping Channel. And stay tuned for our next video, and thanks for watching.